Hi guys, my name is Helen and welcome to a new tutorial. As we know, Halloween is just around the corner and we're looking for new and simple ideas for Halloween decoration. But did you know that this can also be a great activity to do with your kids? Come with me and I'm going to show you how to be creative in this Halloween.
So for this DIY, we will need rocks. Yes, just rocks that you can find at the beach or anywhere close to your town. The only request is that they need to look like this, like fingers or toes. You might think it will be difficult to find them, but believe me, you will be surprised the different sizes you can find out there. And then you will need acrylic paints, your imagination, and let's start. After some layers of colors, let them dry. Now they are ready to decorate. Once the designs are ready, it's time to gloss them with blood. I mean paint.
I really hope you like this tutorial. I think it's a super easy idea, and the best part is that you're using rocks that you can find anywhere, and then we don't need to buy things that we will use only once and then they will end up in the trash. Remember to be a Save the Planet lover. Always recycle and use things that the nature brings us. And just a quick reminder to hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and the most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for notification. Have an amazing and creepy Halloween, and see you next time. Ciao!